Welcome to GCCars, my name is Eric, and today we're going to take a city POV test drive in this 2022 Infiniti QX55 Sensory. That is, as of 2022, the top spec of the all-new QX55, which is essentially a QX50 with a sloped roof. And in this POV test drive, we're just going to test out the smoothness of the drivetrain, kind of take it for a casual drive here at night, and see how it fares in more slower speed scenarios. We got two more POV test drives. One on the highway where we test the assist systems and kind of, if we can, maybe a little bit of the handling. And then we have one at night outside of the city where we test the headlights and the high beam assist. But for all my thoughts with this 2022 Infiniti QX55, there we go. Click in the top right hand corner for my full review. With that being said, let's hop on in and get driving. Two in the right mode. Yep, wonderful. So let's buckle up. Sure that my audio stuff is not getting squished. Take a quick peek here at the interior. We got the white and black dual tone, which looks really nice, I must say. But because we only have the Sensory and there's no autograph of this QX55 yet, we don't have any quilted seats. So maybe they'll come in a few years. I don't know. But as of right now, that's a top spec. But I think that's all you need to see. So let's go driving. Put in drive. So we can take a quick look at the cameras. Not the most high resolution images, but still better than just having a backup camera, right? Apologies for the cut. I forgot that you can't turn left at all from that direction, so we had to kind of U-turn here. But now we can go in the direction we wanted to go. That's just my dash cam turning off. Okay, we can go for a little brief acceleration run, nothing too fancy. Slow it down a lot. Okay, and there we go. We got the turbocharged inline 4 here. 268 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque sent through a CVT to all four wheels. And yes, the sound is definitely pumped in that you heard. It's not the natural engine sound. And that is a quick POV test drive in this QX. I always want to press the start-stop button up here, but it's down here. 55. That's infotainment. I haven't shown that to you yet. Control the upper screen really nicely. That, oh, of course we can use touch controls. Anyhow, let's take another look at the exterior. Actually, let's start it back up, because I want to show you the lights. And yeah, like I said, for all my thoughts, make sure to click in the somewhere on the screen actually right now for my full review. And if you liked it, subscribe and hit the bell, because we upload videos about all sorts of cars pretty much every week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.